welcome back to Missy's Kitchen, coming to you from the beautiful province of Prince Edward Island, where today in the kitchen we're going to make brown sugar fudge. So the ingredients that we're going to need today to make our fudge are brown sugar, icing sugar, evaporated milk, and butter. And you're also going to need a medium-sized pot, and you're going to need an 8x8 pan lined with parchment paper. We're going to start by melting 1 cup of butter in our pot. Okay, now we can go ahead and add 3/4 of a cup of evaporated milk. Give that a stir. Make sure your burner is on a medium to high heat just until we get the sugar in. And then we'll put our first 2 cups of sugar. And I'll get 1 more. And our last cup, so that's 3 cups in total of brown sugar. And we're just going to give that a stir. And make sure everything's blended well. And once everything's blended in, we're going to bring it to a boil, and we're going to step away from the pot. We're not going to stir it after it starts boiling, and we're going to let it boil for 10 minutes before the next step. So our mixture's come to a boil now, so we're just going to step back a bit and let it boil for 10 minutes, and we'll come back when that's all done. Our brown sugar mixture is ready now, so I've taken it off of the stove, let it cool slightly, and in the meantime we're going to add 2 cups of icing sugar to our bowl. And you're going to very carefully pick your pot up because it's very hot, and you're just going to pour it over top of the icing sugar, just like that. Like I said, be very careful, it's really hot. And we're just gonna mix it with our hand mixer for 5 minutes. So it's all finished, and we're just going to pour it into our pan. Smooth it out. It starts to harden right away, so you want to be kind of as quick as you can with this. And that's it. Pop it in the fridge for about a half an hour, and you have some fudge. We'll come back when that's all finished. So our fudge is cooled down now, and because we used parchment paper, we can just lift it right out of the pan. Makes for easy cutting. Okay. This is where you can just go ahead and slice it. I hope you liked making brown sugar fudge with me today. And if there was any commotion in the background, it was this guy. He likes to be in the kitchen with me when I'm cooking. If you liked this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now.